Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to your own channel Investopia. Today we shall discuss one more chart about one more interesting stock in which I was personally waiting to get an entry since long. So looking on your chart, you can guess the stock name. It is Stltech Technology, that is Sterlite Technologies Limited. Quickly coming on the chart, on the 6 monthly time frame, if you check on the 6 monthly time frame, below at the bottom I have drawn a good quality buying zone with the green rectangular box, and at the top if you see there is one half yearly quality selling pressure at around 300 rupees. So no doubt it is a replicated zone which we can see since then the price is coming down. So if you look at the chart, earlier there was a quality selling pressure and due to which the price has got hit here, and since then the price is coming down, right? So that was all about on the 6 monthly time frame. And now at the bottom we have drawn a green rectangular box wherein I was waiting the price to come down, and now the price has hit our buying zone, so that we may plan a buying opportunity or we may plan a long entry in this particular stock. So coming down to the 3 monthly time frame, that is quarterly time frame, I can't see any quite promising structure which is there which will act as a hurdle or resistance in this particular stock. No doubt the ultimate target will be around 300 rupees if at all we get an entry in this particular stock. Coming down to the monthly time frame, on monthly time frame I have drawn a trend line here. Why I have drawn a trend line? Because the price has already got corrected more than 50%, and whenever a particular stock is in a bear phase or whenever a particular stock is in continuous downtrend, I usually prefer to play a safer entry, because in market there is a good saying that don't try to touch a falling knife. That means if a particular stock is continuously falling, we should not try to bottom out that particular stock unless and until we have got an assurance. So how assurance is being judged? It through only chart studies, right? So on the monthly time frame if you look, I have drawn one particular trend line, and if at all we want to go long in this particular stock, no doubt the price has already hit our buying zone. I was waiting to enter in this stock nearly at around 120 rupees, but still I have not entered a long position in this particular trade, because I am observing since last so many weeks that on the weekly time frame if you see, this stock is continuously testing this particular trend line, and whenever it tries to move up, the particular trend line is trying to act as a resistance, and it is not letting the stock go and close above this particular trend line. So what in such scenarios what we do, we don't enter as soon as the price hit our buying zone. Rather what I do is I wait for our confirmation. So how a confirmation is being traded? Say for example, for some next 2 to 3 weeks, if the price still keeps on consolidating here, and as soon as the price closes above like this, so say for example after 1 or 2 weeks the price gives a closing means at the end of the day after 3:30 when the market gets closed, your price should sustain like this, it should close over and above this particular trend line. Then in such scenarios we may say that yes, the buyers are in charge now. The buyers have got, or the buying orders have got absorbed the corresponding selling orders, right? That is known as the concept of what? Confirmation entry. So how we can plan a buying entry, or how we can accumulate this particular stock, and what all the targets, we shall discuss quickly now. So as I have said, whenever the stock will give a closing above, in my opinion I will personally wait to close this particular stock above 145 rupees. So if the stock closes above 145 rupees just like this, say for example if it gives a closing like this over and above 145 rupees. As soon as the stock price goes over and above 145 rupees, I will be buying this stock at the nearest daily demand zone, and I will hold this stock till the ultimate target of 300 rupees. No doubt around 225, this particular zone which I am drawing right now here with the red rectangular box, it will act as a small hurdle here, and the price will definitely try to consolidate for 1 or 2 weeks here. So an conservative trader may book their profits here around 225, but I don't think so, because the price is going up from a half yearly buying zone, and corresponding half yearly selling zone is around 300 rupees only. So that's all a trade plan. Our trade plan will be nearly somewhat, our entry will be around once price closes above 145, and accordingly we will decide, or we will update the nearest SL zone as the nearest swing low will be our stop loss. And what about our target? Our target will be, our ultimate target in this stock will be 300 plus. That is, we will definitely plan a 100% return entry in this stock. So buying a stock at around 150 level, say for example, and selling a stock at around 300 rupees and enjoying the profit or ROI, return on your investment, about 100%, right? So that is how quick plan we may make in this particular stock. So don't buy this stock right now at current market price, rather wait the price to close about or around 145 rupees. So as soon as the price closes above 145, we will try to buy this stock and we will add it in our portfolio. So just add this stock at particular moment in your watch list and keep on your radar, keep watching the price action in this particular stock. So that's about a quick recap about Sterlite Technologies Limited. Thank you.